So in the number bond, we got a 7. All right, there.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
You're right. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or
2
1 and 2.
equals 7.
Or it can be 2.
Minus
1, 2.
2.
You're right. It can be 2 plus 5. Both are right. How
Teacher,
many? Yes?
Red apple is 5.
You're right.
Blue apple is color green.
Red apples are 5.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Yep. You can do it that. You can do 5 plus 2 equals 7. Or 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay,
Yeah.
either way, that's okay. But with minus, you can't do that. Right?
Yes.
With minus, you can't do that. Usually. But this time you can. Or 7 minus 5 equals 2. Or 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay? So you can go up and you can go down. With addition goes up, subtraction goes down. All right? Remember other words for subtraction? Right? This is our vocabulary. We have the word subtract. Okay, that means minus, which also means take away. Okay, so those are the words you will see with.
Eat color green food.
Yes. Okay, so you can say 7 minus 2 equals, 7 subtract 2 equals 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. 3 ways to say it. All right, let's go on to the next page. I want you to look at a couple of more. Let's have a look.
Gummy bear.
Yeah, I know the gummy bear. I am a gummy bear. Yummy,
Yummy.
yummy, yummy, yummy gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. All right, so they've given us nothing. All right, we don't have nothing filled out here. So you tell me a plus equation.
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Right.
Equals 9.
Right. Or what's the other one we can do?
5 plus 4 equals 9.
All right. Either way is correct. Equals 9. Good. Let's look at our minus one.
Ah.
So we have to start with 9 because we're minusing.
Not easy. 9.
Let's see. So we can take away the
minus 5
9 minus
5 equals 4.
Okay, that we're doing the pink first.
9 minus 4 equals 5.
Yes, excellent. 9 minus 4 equals 5. All right, I'll give you a minute. Make sure everybody writes that down. I don't want to go too fast. I said good morning. All right, everybody got that?
Good.
Good. Right now, we don't know what the triangle is. We have to figure out what the triangle is. What number goes in there?
I don't know. 3.
Yeah, so you can figure that out. Okay, so that would be a 3. You can do that one in your head. That one's pretty good. So we got a 3 there. So what's another one? Another addition equation. So we have
5.
5 this time, plus
3. 4, 8. 8.
right. Let's keep going. So over there, we have 8 minus something equals 5.
8 minus 3.
Right.
8 minus 3.
And what's another way to do that?
8 minus 8 equals 5.
8 minus 3. Remember, you go 3 minus 8. You can't do that. All right, so 8 minus 3. We just switch the numbers around. Right? So here we've switched these numbers around, and here we've switched these numbers. Oh, wait. Sorry, my mistake. I just did what you did. So let's do this.
Teacher,
I know.
1, 2,
There we go.
triangle east.
So what is a triangle? What does the triangle equal? What number should I put here for the triangle? So that means look for the
3.
triangle. And
3.
yeah, you're right. So that's what we want you to find. You need to look at the triangles and see what numbers in there. All right? So there you go. Good job. All right, let's see if we know how to do this. Okay, we'll do that one a little later. Let's do our workbook first because there's some things in the workbook. So let's stop out of this one. We'll do this one later. All right? So everybody put that away. And that's the green one. So find the workbook.
Okay.
All right. This is this one always in color, and this one's always in black and white. Means there's no color in it.
Teacher, what
That's the one. Page 47.
47.
Yeah, 47. Yeah, I can't see it very well. Okay, page 47. All right, let's get that one up, and then we can do some of our workbook here. I think these are all going to be pretty simple. It's going to start pretty easy, okay? We're still working on subtraction, ways to subtract. All right, I think we do a lot of that. Let me get closer. Here we go. Okay, so we did this page, so now we're on page 47. Here we go. All right, so complete the equations. All right, well, they're basically giving you the answer. So what do we have here? All right, so we've got an equation. We've got a total amount of apples, which are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. They're taking
7 minus 4 equals 3.
Right. All right. These first are beginning. So how many tomatoes we have?
8. 8.
Take away
8 minus 3 equals 5.
8. Oops, 8 minus 3. And that equals 5.
7 minus 10 minus
Okay, how many do we start with? When you do remember when we do subtraction?
10.
Okay, you're right.
7 minus 7
You're right.
equals 3.
You're right.
10 minus 7 equals 3.
Good. Oops. Remember with subtraction, you start with the biggest number, and addition, you end with the biggest number. Okay? So like over here, we have a 7, 3, and this is our total. Here we start with 10, and we take away some. There we go. All right?
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the next page. Now I'm going to let you all do this on your own. Let me do the first one. All right? So we start with 6. We take away 1, which means put a little X on 1.
5.
Right? And how many are left?
5.
All right. I want everybody to do it first by yourself. All right. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to do it. Uh-oh, wrong way. There we go. So I'm going to let you do this by yourself to start. Use X's and cross something else. If they're telling you how much to take away, take it away. Okay? So you do it. I'll give you a couple of minutes to do it first. All right. Do it quietly. Don't tell everybody the answer yet. Let me get a tissue.
6 minus 1 equals 5. 4 minus 8 equals 4.
Do it on your own first.
Minus 3 equals 6.
Okay, I want everybody to do this first by themselves, and then we'll do it all together. Early in the morning.
Finish.
All right. I'll give everybody a couple of minutes. Some of you are faster than others, and that's fine. There we go. All right. So if you're finished, just wait a minute. Good. If you're finished, good.
Finish.
I see other people still writing.
Finish.
Okay, not good. So just wait a minute. Thanks, Jing Jing.
Finish. Finish.
All right. I think a lot of people are starting to finish, which is good. Thanks, Ply Fun. All right. So let me go back to this and let's start it. All right. So did you cross things out that you're taking away? All right. Let's have a look. So we have.
Finish.
Okay, good. So we have how many paper clips?
8.
Got 8. And we're taking away how many?
4.
I'm going to put a little X. I'm just going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's our answer?
Equals 4.
Good. Now we've got.
3 equals 6.
Hold on. I'm trying to see what they are. I don't know what these are. Okay, hold on. Let's go. I'm trying to see what this is. I don't know what that is. All right, so we got 9. Oh, wait. First, we got to take away our
9 minus
1,
2
2.
6.
Good. I've got 6 left. All right, so here we've got an eraser. You're right. So I have to take 2 away. And I got 1
minus 5 minus 5.
So you're right.
5 minus 5.
Hold on, everybody's talking. Hold on. So I'm going to cross all of those out.
7.
Excellent. You guys are great. Okay, so I'm going to take out 1.
3
2.
equals
Hold on. Slow down. There we go. Thank you. All right. So here we've got on the other side. Oh, yeah. Wrong one.
Teacher.
Yeah.
6 minus 1 equals 5. Teacher don't draw.
Did I make a boo-boo?
Teacher, no door.
Let's have a look. 6 minus 5. Where's 6 minus 5?
6 minus 5.
Oh, I see. You're right. I forgot the 5. Thank you. Oh, I missed that. Thank you very much. All right, let's look at the next page. And we've got some more subtraction. This time we're using number bonds and an equation. All right, so let's have a little peek here. Complete the number bonds, fill in the blank. So how many do we have? It tells us. We have 6, we have 9.
9.
And we have 5 left. So how many did we take away?
4. 4.
So we've got either 9 minus 5 equals 4 or 9 minus 4 equals 5. All right, so put a 4 there and a 4 here.
5. 5. 5. Yeah.
Hold on. All right,
5.
how many pencils are short?
5. 5 pencil B. 4 pencils more.
Yes, 4 pencils are short and 5 are long. All right. So we can have 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Or 9 minus 4 equals 5.
Yes.
All right, so let's have a look at our buttons.
8 minus 2 equals 6.
8.
Minus 2 equals 8.
Okay, so we got an 8. We've got a, we've got a 2. Those are round buttons. And square buttons, 6. All right, good. So this can be 8 minus 6 equals 2 or 8 minus 2 equals 6.
2.
All right,
8 minus 2 equals 6.
okay, you're right. We should use 2 because the 2 that are round. All right, equals 6. There we go. How many buttons are square?
6.
There we go. Excellent.
6.
Good. All right. Now I think it's going to get harder. So let's have a look. There we go. We've got a whole bunch of number bonds here. You try them on your first by yourself and see if you can do them all by yourself. All right. Let's have a look at the pictures. Birds, cats.
3.
Okay, do it by yourself. Do it by yourself, and see if you can do this first. Then I'm going to ask for your help.
3 minus 4 equals 1.
You do it first.
3 minus 4 equals 1. 3.
Well, let's look how many groups we've got. We've got a group of 3.
3 minus 4 equals
A group
1.
of 4 and a group of... You try by yourself first, okay? Try it by yourself, and then we'll do it all together, okay? So just see if you can go through it. A lot of little circles and squares to fit in.
อันนี้3ใช่ไหม ตรงนี้ก็ต้องเป็นเลข3ถูกไหม
แต่ว่าให้นับทั้งหมดหรือว่าให้นับแค่ตรงนี้
นับทั้งหมดสิ
All right,
okay,
divide
that's
by yourself first.
แล้วเจ็ดจะไปบวกอะไรล่ะ เดี๋ยวก่อนลบก่อนดิลบ
หนึ่ง
เมื่อกี้อันนี้เขาสอนยังอันนี้เขาสอนยัง
ยังจำได้เขาบอกว่าให้ทั้งหมดเลยแต่มันไม่มีตัวบวกต้องสี่หนึ่ง
เดี๋ยว
It keeps changing, doesn't it? All right, how's everybody doing? Okay? You finished, Nat?
yes
Okay, good. Jing Jing, are you finished?
I'm not finished
Okay, you keep working. I'll let everybody. If you're finished, great. All right, thanks, Celine. We'll wait another minute.
finish
Prize, you're finished. IFIMS, you're finished.
yes finish
IFIMS, you finished?
finish
Okay, great. Thank you. All right, we'll go through it in a minute.
finish
Excellent. Okay, let's start going through it. We'll do the first one all together. Excuse me. There we go. All right. So here we've got a bunch of birds. So when you look at a problem, when you look at something like this, you've got to first find out, look at the groups and look how many total. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, we got 7. So that's the number we've got, 7. Good.
7
You're right. And then we've got one group here. So that's a group of 3. And one group here. So that's a group of 4. All right. So now we know, oops, sorry. So now we've got some numbers to fill in our spaces. Since it's subtraction, you always start with the biggest number. So I know a 7 would have to go here, right?
7 minus 4 equals 1 3
All right. So hold on. And I'm putting a 7 here because I know 7 is the biggest number. All right. So they ask you, subtract. You can do a 3 or a 4. Which one do you want to do? 7 minus 3 or 4? Which one do you want to do?
4
Okay.
4
start with 4.
6
7 minus 4 equals. All right. So let's fill in. You're right. So let's fill in our, oops, our, it's not moving. There we go. Let's fill in our number bond. So you can do either way. So let's do a 4 up here and let's do a 3 down here. Okay. Good. All right. You tell me the rest. All right. Now we have cats and they're asking how many cats do not have stripes? All right. So we got to figure out which ones do not have stripes. Is it this group or this group?
2
All right, so we're looking for, there's a group of 4, and here's a group of 2. All right.
2
And they're asking cats who do not have stripes. What are stripes?
4
Yes, okay, because these are stripes on the tail. So now we know we have to have an answer of 4.
6
All right, so what's our equation? Has to equal 4.
6 minus 2 equals 4
Yes, because we need the answer of 4. So 3 minus 2 equals 4.
Minus 2 equals 4.
Yes, we have to come with the answer of 4 because they're asking us here. All right, so let's fill in this. Obviously, this one will be a 6. And doesn't matter which one. We'll put a 2 there this time. And this time we'll put a 4 here. Good. All right. Good. Let's see the bottom one. So we need to know how many fish are big.
Teacher, finish.
Good. Okay, we'll go on in a moment. How many fish are big? How many fish are big?
9.
How many big fish?
3.
All right. So we know the answer has to equal 3. All right, because they're asking us. So let's have a little look here. What's our equation?
9 minus 3 minus 9 minus equals 3. Minus 3 equals 6.
Now we have to an answer of 3. Right? We need to go to 3. So 9 minus what equals 3?
6. 6 equals 3.
Okay. So here's the difference. This one, let's say how many birds are left. Well, we don't really know, which this is the answer of 3. Okay? How many cats do not have stripes? 4.
4.
Right? And how many big fish do we have?
3.
All right. So this time we have to have equation a specific way. It has to be 9 minus 6. So we got a 9. Here it doesn't matter. 3 and a 6. So that's the other thing you have to do. Look for their answer. All right. So in this case, I could not do 9 minus 6 equals 3. I couldn't do this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Ay. 9 minus, I made a mistake. Sorry about that. So I cannot do the equation this way. Okay. Because we have to get an answer of 3. All right. That's why in a picture, it's easy. How many big fish? There's 3. We need an answer of 3. All right. So this one, I couldn't do. That one, in this case, would be wrong. All right. Because we need to find the answer. If the answer was how, oh, hold on. Let me take that back. The answer was how many fish are small. Oops, let's do this. Hold on. How many fish are small? If that was the question, and this would be right.
How many fish small? 6.
Then, sorry, yes. So then it would be 9 minus 3 equals 6. So it depends on the word they use. Understand? So 3 fish are big, 9 minus 6 equals 3. If how many fish are small, then it would be 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay? So we have to find the answer. All right. So in this case, how many fish are small?
6.
Yes. So this one goes with this. Let's do this. So this equation goes with this one. If I use small, and this equation goes with that one. Okay, that's why it's always important to look at your answer. What is the answer going to be? All right, hope that made sense to everybody. Well, these are counting back. All right, we've done a lot of this counting back. All right, and it's subtraction through counting. So they give you a number line, 1 to 10. They give you an answer. They give you somewhere to start. So we're starting with the number 5, and we're taking away 3. So we're counting back 5, 4, 3, 2. All right. Or 5, take away 3. 5, take away 1, take away 2, take away 3. And that's how we get our answer. All right. This is the counting back. All right. So then you tell me what's the answer. Oops. What's the answer to 6? Oops. What is the answer to this one? We start with 6 right here. And we count back 2. What's our answer? So we start with 6. Counting back 2.
Minus 2 equals 4.
You're right. So show it on the diagram. How are you going to minus? So we have 6, we minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. What's our answer?
4.
Right. All right, so show it on the number line. This is called a number line. The line of numbers. So here we start with 9. Oh my gosh. We have to count back 8.
1.
You're right. So let's do it on our lines. Let's count from our line. So 1, 2, do the same thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, I started at 10. Oh my gosh, silly Michael. Here we go. Let's do it this one. I started at 10. I should have started at 9. So start at 9. All right. What?
Minus 8
2,
equals 1.
3. But show it on the line. 4,
minus
5,
3
6, 7, 8. That's why I got to write.
1.
You're right.
1.
All right. So show that on your number line. This is called show your work. Which teachers will ask. All right. Let's do down here. So we start with the number 3. We take away. Well, we can do that in our head, right? Let's show it. 1, 2, 3. And you were right. All right. We equal 0. So remember, all and something like this, show your line. So here we start at 10. No line. I don't have to draw any lines.
10 minus 0 equals 10.
You're right. So I actually don't have to do any of these. Right? I don't have to count back. There's nothing to count back. Well, that's kind of silly, isn't it? Okay. So when they ask you to count back, just count the numbers, and wherever you land, that is your answer. But I started with 10 before. All right. So that is counting back. I'll leave that up for a minute. I want everybody to make sure that you draw these lines, okay? All right, so draw the little lines. That helps you count back. Oh, and I made a big boo-boo here. Hold on here. I just noted I made a huge mistake here. So hold on. Let me get a little closer. How do I get up here? Okay, wait. Don't do what I did. I made another boo-boo. So I'm going to take all these off. All right, I have to take these off because I did not start at 5, and I only took away 2. All right, this one was a mistake. All right, so I'm starting at 5, taking away 2. All right, good. That one was a mistake on my part.
Teacher,
Oh my gosh.
finish.
Oh, I'm reading the wrong one. My apologies again. I'm reading the one above. I have to read the one below. Sorry. So I was right the first time. There we go. All right. I made a mistake. I was reading this meant this. Okay. So that's all correct. So there you go. Okay. So make sure you got all of the, I left a number out. So I left a number. we've got a 3 here, and I'm going to take this away. So I got to have this the same. All right, so let's take this away. And I'll just do it like that. Oops. There we go. So I will keep that like that. So that's the way these two pages look. All right, I'm going to ask your mom and dad to at least do these pages. All right, to take pictures. So just draw in the lines, or arcs. We might call them an arc. Draw those in from the number it starts and how many you're taking away. All right, so make sure this is filled out. So I'll leave that up for a minute. Make sure everybody has it done the way I did it. And then we're going to do one more page. All right, everybody have all that? And we're going to do page 52.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
very easy.
Yeah, that one you just find answers and match the answers. It's not the same equation, it's the same answers. All right, so does everybody have these pages done?
Done.
Good. Everybody's good? Prize, you're finished? Yes?
Finish. Finish.
Good. We'll do one more page and then, all right, how about you, Minton? Are you finished?
Teacher, finish.
Okay, good.
Finish.
All right, we'll go back. So good. I'll ask your mom and dad to take pictures of this one. That one's important. And let's go on to the last page. And you need to find the answers and match up the answers. All right, so you do that one by yourself. I think you can do the subtraction now. They're asking you to count back. So 9. Okay, take away 1. I'm counting back. All right, so you need to fill these in first and then match them with a line. All right, you try it. Excuse me, first by yourself.
Finish.
Are you done? Good.
Finish.
Good. That was pretty easy, huh?
Finish.
All right, so let's fill in our little blank. Let's fill in our blank. What number do I put in there?
5.
Good. What number do I put in here?
2. 2.
What number do I put in here?
6.
Excellent. What number do I put in here?
5. 5. 5.
You guys are brilliant. What number do I put in here?
6.
And down here? Thank you. So now you just match up the answers, right?
Yes.
All right. So let's draw a little line. I've got a 5. I got to find a 5. There we go. And I've got a 6. I need to find a 6. There we go. And I only have 2 left, so I don't even have to look. And there you go. How easy is that? Okay. All right, good. We're going to stop there. Make sure you have these 2 pages done. All right. All right. And I think I'm going to ask your moms and dads just to send in probably 2 pages. Okay. Now we need these 1 too. So I'll have them send in some pages. All right. So let's get out of that. If you need to, you can finish if you want me to keep it up. But I think everybody's finished. All right. So before I turn this off, these are all solving problems. Right? That's what all these are. We're solving problems. We have 7 fish. 4 fish. We have 7 birds. 4 of the birds flew away. How many birds do we have left? All right. We have 6 cats. 2 of them had stripes. How many did not have stripes? And there's our answer. So we do problems. You're right. Here we have 9 fish. Let me get rid of this one. Oh, hang on. Come on. Let's get rid of that. There we go. We have 9 fish. We've got to find out how many of your fish are big. We have 9 fish. 6 of them are small. How many big fish do we have? Those are problems, and they're called. You're right. So we learn this because it helps us solve problems, not just in math, but in life too. I'm going to show you a quick little video of somebody trying to solve a problem. Okay, but they aren't using math. It's another problem. All right, so let's have a listen to this one. And let's see what the problem is. So when you have problems, first thing to do is find out what the problem is on these word things, okay? Let me get you one. There were 5 sharks. 2 of them swam away. How many sharks are left? So there are 5 sharks. Yeah, 2 swam away, and we've got 3 left. Okay, those are understanding problems. Look at your numbers. That's why sometimes I put numbers all down and put them in the order. All right, you guys did a great job. I'm going to ask your moms and dads to send a couple of pages. But you guys did a great job. All right. Good. Do I have you guys later today? Let's have a look. I don't know. I think only once today. Let's have a look. Oh, only one time today. So let's have a goodbye time then. All right.